Halo semua, malam tu aku ke umat kita mereaksi sitik video seram punya. Video scary video compilation bak TikTok lah yang udah orang kumpul mayu-mayu lah. So kita kebenar ke angka reaction ada ke benda tu seram ataupun benda tu ama-amaitnya ke ataupun ukai. Mata aku rasa aku berai. Nampak tu lagi bekau di malam kan. Okay guys, selamat datang bareng video kali tu. Ngarep kita enjoy video kali tu. Kali tu aku agak reaction seram. Kemarin aku dengan agak reaction funny lah yang memes kena lah. So kali tu aku agak reaction seram. Kita tahu berapa belakang aku lagi lah main mau bisa tanya nama-nama kan. Tu best lah reaction seram tu. Okay, kita terus ngau reaction kita kali tu. Oh, itu dah mulai masa, dah mulai yang kita perlu kan nemu nama itu sebenarnya, okay? Betul. Okay guys, kita teruskan. Ngarep tanya pada video tu sampai habis anda skip anda stop video tu. Kita kira ada ke benda tu amat seram ataupun hanyalah rekaan semata-mata. Okay. Aku ke in character. Okay, here we go.
The crew lies inside a grave while the other performs a funeral washing ceremony above him, which involves breaking a coconut open and letting the water splash over the man's face.
So kita mudah. This is what we need to spread us.
As he lies in the grave after the ceremony, nothing happens for quite a while, and when it does, it's nothing short of terrifying. Something grabs the man's t-shirt, lifting it up. He jumps and screams in fear, racing away from the grave, but that's not all. As he's talking with his partner about what he experienced, he is pulled dramatically by the shoulder and thrown on the ground.
Talent. Oh my god.
It seems like these dark rituals worked. Question is, once that portal is open, how do you close it?
Alessia?
Seram.
Alessia, are you okay?
Look at that picture.
Alessia!
Ya budak ke?
Something's not right. Something's not right.
Apa benda tu tadi?
Okay.
Sesuatunya dalam kereta tu saya.
Relax.
Nah. Kan aku dah boleh. Kan aku dah ada. Ayo, ang gitu. Benar. Aseko dah kau datang. Kita balik dah. Lagi dah. Bisa situ video kreator aku dapat Facebook yang masa awal Facebook kom. Vlog nantinya macam krusi cinta bagi orang Muslim ke apa, tapi untuk menghilangkan antunya ya tikau ngena krusi. Tersedak antunya.
Eu vi uma coisa aqui, Thiago. Tem um grupo aqui, velho. Tô falando sério, cara. Sério, vem aqui comigo, cara. Eu vi uma coisa aqui, cara. Maluco.
Who's that? Okay, kita ke belas terusnya. Dia tu jam nunjuk ke pukul 11.22 malam. Yeah, focus.
Tells us about a siren that can be found around the waters near his hometown. He states that he has seen it many times in the past, and during one night he heard it singing in the distance, potentially trying to lure men towards it with their alluring voices, as sirens are known to do so. He decides to visit the same location in hopes of catching the siren on camera, and even live stream the event while attempting to sing to attract the siren. Take a look at what he managed to capture.
Ya bisa nih bunyi siren buat lautan atau yang ke kedai ya bisa nih bunyi orang belagu kenapa kata kenapa siapa dulu pakai engkau. Okay, everything okay. Apakah yang muncul? Laki itu selalu ngeliat tempat tuh lah. Selalu ini bunyi sirens dia. Lama mata. Kan ngecita aku tadi. Jalan-jalan yang lalu belakang. Setanya mau ya aku nggak reaction aku poy lah.
Ai güey. ¿Qué pedo que? ¡Ah, no mames! ¿Qué pedo es eso? No.
Apa yang terjadi? Dia bisa melihat sesuatu yang sirennya berbunyi gitu. Yang bunyi sirennya.
La madre que.
After hearing the voice.
If you're hiding under your blankets, then good, because this next video is too creepy to see out in the open where it's dark. A child is seen resting in his crib. However, he appears to have been woken up by something. It isn't until seconds later that we see what it was that woke him up. Have a look.
Ito ba na tempat na meet niya tindo? So, yun na. Ito siya simulat orang and mata. What is that, dude?
Whatever this is, it appears to be observing the child with a deep gaze in its eyes. I can imagine the terror the parents of this child felt upon seeing this video. It would be in their best interest to move or to call an expert who can better handle entities that loom over children in their sleep. One thing's for sure though, I would never leave my child alone in that room ever again.
Oh my god.
Hi. Are you a father?
Oh my god.
Yeah, we're friends with your daughter.
Untuk kita lebihkan situasi seram untuk lebih feel, kita menggunakan earphone ataupun apa-apa yang headphone ke earphone kah baru bisa feel seram.
Daddy, are you gonna go back in the room?
Okay.
Tinggi mata.
Let's just sit down and talk here. Okay, Chloe, thank you for letting us sit down with you.
Yes, thank you.
So can you tell us more about what's been going on?
Yeah, so At night, usually when I'm trying to sleep, I've started hearing these weird noises. For the first couple nights, there was this weird whining sound. Then I
Semalam
heard
Indo tuh selalu
scratching,
bunyi yang
chewing,
agak pelik gitu lah.
almost like a
Main
peeling
doang.
sound.
Dude, what?
Okay, well, your dad just mentioned something about your brother. What's that about?
I'm not supposed to talk about that.
Yeah, so is there something that's like going on with your dad?
You know how amazing my daddy is? He says I'm the best girl in the world.
Okay, right.
Siapa yang
But I'm really
belakang?
worried about my daddy. He was fired from his job a few weeks ago. I think he's been really depressed.
What kind of job did he have?
He worked for a medical company as a, surgeon.
Okay, so do you think that getting fired like made him
Apa
depressed?
Indo tuh sebab
Yeah,
ya kerja
and
sebagai
he told me our dog just ran away too.
dokter bedah kena tapi ya udah
It's really
deh
sad.
berhentikan and ya depressed.
I hear him crying in the basement sometimes.
Hmm.
I feel horrible. Sometimes I even hear him screaming down there.
Oh.
Well, it sounds like you care about your dad a lot and you're a good daughter.
Yeah, he just hasn't been himself. I can tell he's really hurting.
What?
Let's look in the basement.
Yeah, so do you think it would be okay if Chester and I like looked around your house and the basement?
Dia kalau
Yeah.
aku rasa
Yeah.
paranormal. Ya asik kok. Kita rasakan ini deh. Nay. Kesangka tak bersama.
That's okay. That's cool. TikTok.
Yeah, okay, I did a cool trick on my scooter. I'm blacked out on the green whistle.
Aku kiranya vape bahasa.
I'll show you guys the trick in it. Oh, here, I think it's empty.
Well, that's okay then. We'll have to. We're nearly at hospital, mate.
Can we get another one?
Bukan kayaknya kayak
Yeah.
good buat.
Pick your arm up.
Yeah, I don't like needles. Oh, that's pretty strong.
Yeah, it is. It's getting
Oh, yeah.
lower, mate. It's getting lower. Fantastic.
That was a pretty sick trick. Oh, Pete, do you like the trick?
Well, it looked pretty good. Did you do a backflip?
A
or-
backflip.
Backflip. Yeah, it's pretty
A
good.
backflip over spine, yeah.
Have you ever nailed that before?
No, that was my first try actually today. That was the third time when I fucked it, yeah.
Yeah, you nearly
So, ini benar seram gitu.
done here.
Dan sebenarnya menurut kita. Terus.
Hello.
Keep hearing more noises in the basement, Steve. So, oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god, what is that?
Can wait away! Oh my god!
Batuk lo datang jam 4 mau tay. Tu macam aku rasa tu tak real lah.
Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, what's troubling you, man? What's troubling you?
I'm sitting here trying to figure this thing out before I just get upstairs, dog. This Louisiana, they're getting a terrible storm.
Oh, yeah, hurricane, man. That was terrible.
Hurricane, and you had one 16 years ago that was devastating. Okay, the squirrel that, okay, the ocean is here. This is the ocean.
Okay,
The
okay.
ocean is here. And they built come up with the
Tu
idea.
campur tu nadai ke Seram pun memang benar tu.
What this is what's going to happen. The ocean's going to come over the wall and you're going to flood out. Don't rebuild down there. Who designed that? The French? The Cajuns? I hope you like shrimp and crawfish because you're going to be living with them for the next 5 or 6 months. Get a check. Do not rebuild below the ocean. Come on!
You see. Sound effect yang menamakan itu. Kita bisa menakah bisa 3 jari bawa kain.
Talks to the camera in a joking manner as a mysterious faceless Dalmatian appears beside her. She then asks it, "Can you please stick out your tongue?" The Dalmatian complies with her request and sticks his tongue out. Kyo-yan is shocked, her eyes widen.
Masanya usia sambuan yang sebelahnya, yang mulia. Us. Okay guys, ini aja video seram bakal kalian dalam video kali itu. So basic part-part keseram dan basic part-part yang tak seram. So kita ada kita percaya ataupun tak kurang terima. Aku rasa mesti macam yang satu yang dibuat-buat and basic yang tak dibuat-buat. So tanya dia. Anda pikir banyak lah. Anda ngaku kita info aja. Okay, ini aja video aku untuk kalian tahu. Semoga kita enjoy video kalian tahu. Saya tahu 26 hari bulan 12 hari bulan 12 tahun 2021. Okay. Kena saya malam 25 bisa seminggu punya malam Christmas atau mana. Ya. Dalam bagi ikan yang buat tahun baru. So tahun baru 2022 selamat datang. Tutup tirai untuk 2021. Ini aja hari aku Elista and ketemu baru kita dalam video bergerak udah tau. Yeah, thank you.